Hey YouTube, um, welcome back. Today we are continuing our series of JavaScript fundamentals. Today we will talk about the arguments, params arguments, and before let's talk about is it. Let's just start to read the problem. Return a length of arguments passed. Write a function called argument length, this one, that returns the count of arguments passed to it. Okay, so I have input this amount called args and we return 1 because it is 1. The solution for the problem is like it's really easy. Okay, it's let me show it to you. It's just one line of codes, like return args.length, and that's it. But before we just type submit or something like that, the true key of this problem is to understand what is the rest parameter. So in JavaScript, the rest parameter is a feature that allows a function to accept an infinite number of arguments as an array. It enables you to represent a varying number of arguments passed to a function in a concise and flexible way. The rest parameter is denoted by the three dots, as you can see, followed by the parameter name. It captures all remaining arguments into an array, even if there are no explicit parameter defined for them. The rest parameter must be the last parameter in the function parameter list. It's quite important to do that. So let's just take an example of this one. I'll take a function here that I have. So let's say that we have this sum example, and we have the rest parameters called numbers, and we want to have total, and we want to return the length of the arguments. It's actually the same like this, but this way it's more readable and there's more things to do with it. So but the difference between this is the length, and this we talk about values. Okay, this is the difference between both of them. Like I'm talking about values because I add the values to number. So if I did like that, the sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will get 15 because I'm adding each number to it. If I had 10 and 20, I'll get 30, and so on so forth. Other thing that we should talk about is the spread operator and rest parameter. The spread operator and the rest parameter are two related concepts in JavaScript that involve the use of the ellipsis. Okay, but let's just call that this is a spread operator. The spread operator, this three dots, the spread operator is used to expand or spread elements from iteratable such as an array or string into an individual elements. It allows you to unpack elements from an iteratable and use them in place where multiple elements are expected, like functions calls or array literals or object literals, and so on and so forth. The rest parameter that we talked about, what is the rest parameter? We just need to talk about what is the spread operator, and yeah, that's it. So basically today we talk about the argument, the rest parameter, and we talked about what is the use of it in JavaScript and what it is important in JavaScript. And yeah, it was a quick video. Actually, there wasn't too much information to put in this video. So that's it for this video. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. If you thought that there is any problem with the solutions that I have come up with, just feel free to give me a comment about what exactly you don't like, so I can improve it in the future. So that's it for this video, and see you in future problem.